Adverbs of frequency, advérbios de frequência. In this class, we are gonna talk about frequency of activities we do, ou seja, a gente vai falar das atividades, da qual frequência que a gente faz elas. E a gente vai trabalhar muito aquela perguntinha lá do question word, how often do you? How often do you exercise? Com qual frequência você se exercita? How often do you exercise? E para responder, a gente vai ter uma sequência agora de adverbs, que são eles sempre, de vez em quando, raramente, às vezes, ok? How often do you go out with friends? Qual frequência você sai com os amigos? How often do you go out with friends? Ok, so let's get started. Adverbs of frequency, advérbios de frequência. Então, aqui a gente tem uma lista de vários deles que a gente pode utilizar, ok? Então, começando com always, always, usually, usually, leve o soninho de J, usually, regularly, regularly, normally, normally, often, often, sem o sonzinho do T, ok? Often, sometimes, sometimes, occasionally, occasionally, hardly ever, hardly ever, rarely, rarely, never, never, daily, daily, weekly, weekly, monthly, monthly, yearly, yearly, seldom, seldom, almost never, almost never. E aqui a gente vai agora para alguns exemplos, ok? Então lembre-se que never é uma palavra negativa, então a gente não pode usar ela junto do not. Então, lembra que a própria palavra já é negative, e a gente não usa dois negativos no inglês. Example, he never reads the text before class. Ele nunca lê textos antes da aula. He never reads texts before the class. My kids never eat meat. My kids never eat meat. Aqui a gente vai relembrar o how often, que é aquela perguntinha lá do question words, que é da aula anterior. How often do you ride your bike? Qual frequência? How often do you ride your bike? I usually ride it. Esse it se refere ao bike. Lembra que para objetos e neutros a gente usa essa palavrinha it? So I usually ride it. I usually ride my bike after school. I usually ride it after school. How often does she go out? How often does she go out? She always goes out on Friday with her friends. She always goes out on Friday with her friends. Antes do verbo principal. Então, a gente utiliza os advérbios de frequência aqui antes do verbo principal. Com exceção do verbo to be, que eu já vou explicar logo na frente, tá? Então, aqui, ó. They never follow. Então, o verbo está aqui e o advérbio vem antes. They never follow the instructions. They never follow the instructions. She always goes home by bus. She always goes home by bus. Então, goes está aqui, meu advérbio vem antes. We rarely watch the news. We rarely watch the news. Next, aqui a gente vai usar depois do verbo to be. Okay? Então, ficaria I am usually. Então, primeiro o verbo to be, depois o advérbio. I am usually full of energy after a cup of coffee. I am usually full of energy after a cup of coffee. He is always sick during winter. He is always sick during winter. Com esses adverbs, frequently, generally, normally, occasionally, sometimes, eles podem vir no começo ou no final da frase. Vamos ver alguns exemplos? Então, aqui eu posso utilizar ele no começo, início das frases. Normally, I wake up before everyone in the house. Normally, I wake up before everyone in the house. E no final da frase, they pay in cash occasionally. They pay in cash occasionally. Então, lembrando que você pode utilizar ele no início da frase ou no final da frase, ok? Mais alguns exemplos. We clean the house daily. We clean the house daily. We clean the house daily. I wash my dog weekly. I wash my dog weekly. I wash my dog weekly. We pay our bills monthly. We pay our bills monthly. We pay our bills monthly. I visit my family yearly. I visit my family yearly. She is always late. She is always late. She is always late. She is frequently at the shopping mall. She is frequently at the shopping mall. She is frequently at the shopping mall. We generally go out to the gym in the morning. We generally go out to the gym in the morning. We generally go out to the gym in the morning. I hardly ever see my neighbors. I hardly ever see my neighbors. I hardly ever see my neighbors. He is never there when we need him. He is never there when we need him. He's never there when we need him. I often go to the beach by myself. I often go to the beach by myself. I often go to the beach by myself. He rarely mentions his family. He rarely mentions his family. They live in another city, but they come here occasionally. Usando no final da frase. They live in another city, but they come home occasionally. Public services seldom work well in that country. Public service seldom work well in that country. Public service seldom work well in that country. Sometimes I prefer staying home on Friday nights. Sometimes I prefer staying home on Friday nights. We usually play tennis on Sundays. We usually play tennis on Sundays. We usually play tennis on Sundays. Now let's train. Agora vamos treinar and see you next class. Remember to ask for help. Lembre sempre de pedir ajuda. Então não se esqueça, qualquer dúvida pode chamar no WhatsApp e tire suas dúvidas por lá, ok? So bye bye, see you next class.